Hey everyone, DejaFitBeauty here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a keto smoothie bowl that does not suck. And I'm going to be showing you 2 secret ingredients that I add to my keto smoothie bowls to make them thicker. And I promise you, these are 2 ingredients that you most likely never thought about adding to your smoothie. My name is DejaFitBeauty, and on this channel we do nutrition tips, keto tips, healthy recipes, and follow along workouts. So if that's something that you're interested in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So today we're making keto smoothie bowls. Now you know, to get a smoothie bowl that really thick texture, you have to either add bananas or mango or some other fruit that's really not keto friendly. So today I'm going to show you how to make a really good keto smoothie bowl without either of those things, and it's going to be about 6 net carbs. I have a Vitamix. I just bought this Vitamix, you guys, and I'm in love. I really just wanted a really powerful blender, and I bought another blender. I had bought like a NutriBullet 1200 watt NutriBullet, and I don't know, for some reason it just wasn't doing it for me, so I returned it. And I was just like, you know what, I'm going to invest and get the Vitamix. All the smoothie profiles that I follow on TikTok and YouTube, they all had a Vitamix. So I was like, let me go ahead and get this Vitamix. So I have the Vitamix E310. It's one of the cheaper versions of the Vitamix. On Amazon, it was about, I want to say $350. With taxes, it was about $380. It is a pricey blender, but I promise you, if you've ever used a cheap blender and then you use the Vitamix, you're gonna see why it costs so much. And it has a 5-year warranty on this Vitamix. So in 5 years, if the blade pop off and break, you can just return and get a new blender. So that is why the Vitamix is so expensive, but it's great. You can cook, you can make all kind of things in here. You can even make soup. It cooks the soup right in the blender because the blade spins so fast, you can actually make soup. But all I've been making lately is smoothies. I haven't tried to make the soup, but I will be having some soup videos coming out soon. Let's get started. So first, you always want to add your liquids first. So we're just going to add a splash of almond milk, just literally like a splash, and that's it. So we're going to add 70 grams of avocado, frozen avocado. You can find frozen avocado at the grocery store, or you can freeze it yourself, but you can find it in the freezer section in most grocery stores. Next, we're going to add 1 acai packet. This is the Sambazon acai, no sugar added. Just going to add that to the blender. The first secret ingredient that I was mentioning is actually frozen cauliflower. Riced cauliflower is best, but I've been seeing a lot of people add cauliflower to their smoothies to add some bulk without adding a lot of sugar. So this is 3/4 cup of frozen avocado. We're gonna add some spinach. The next secret ingredient to add to your smoothies to get it a little bit thicker is xanthan gum. Okay, xanthan gum is used in drinks and things like that to give it a more thicker texture. It's also added to like some ice creams to make it a little bit thicker. It's totally safe to add to your food and your smoothies. So we're gonna add about, this is 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. Next, this is optional, but if you're keto, you can actually add some keto collagen. So this is about 2.5 grams of the Beachbody Collagen Boost. So last but not least, we're gonna add 1 scoop of vanilla protein. Okay. Look at it. Nice and thick. Now it doesn't look too pretty, but I promise you it tastes really good. And then you can actually top it with this low-carb granola that I found on Amazon. Now the granola is going to add a little bit more carbs, but the bowl by itself is about 6 to 7 net carbs. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this keto recipe, the keto smoothie bowl that doesn't suck and that's thick. Look at that. Wow. So if you want to try this recipe, let me know down in the comments if you guys are going to try. Also, if you guys want more keto smoothie bowl recipes, let me know. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys. So good.